Hello, today we're going to talk about research significance. A little bit more specifically, we're going to make a case for significance of your research, and we're going to develop a significance statement. To start off, let's talk about transformative research. Transformative research is inquiry that brings about change. It may improve the lives of various people, and it's research that is vitally important. When we make the case for significance in our research project, we typically use one of three rationales. We either want to improve professional practice of service delivery, we want to address a specific social problem, or we want to contribute to the scientific knowledge related to our project. If we're looking at improving professional practices, we want to identify ways to improve service delivery, such as insights to program need, design, reactions, impact, and economics, or we want to improve knowledge and skills of practitioners to help out those on the front lines. If we are looking to address a social problem, we're looking to fix a societal issue or reduce a social injustice. So we can look at citing numbers that underscore a problem. So if we look at prevalence, which is the number of existing cases at one point in time, or incidence, which is the number of new cases in a certain time frame, or a population in need, which is a specific group that may be at risk. So for each of these, we need to address who the population is and how our research is going to identify information to help alleviate the problem. And then we can look at conducting research to contribute to the scientific knowledge of the area of expertise that you're looking at. So we do this for the sake of understanding relationships and correlations, so to find out some more information about those, or to fill in holes or gaps in our knowledge. And there's quite a few of those. So I thought I would bring up the Ig Nobel Prize here, which recognizes research that makes people laugh and then really think about what's going on. It's unusual and imaginative research, and there's prizes given every year. So for instance, in 2018, there were a couple of different prizes that I thought were interesting. One looked at the pleasurability of scratching an itch. So how much pleasure do we get out of doing that? Another one looked at the transmission rates of bacteria on different currencies in different countries, right? So how good or bad a country's currency is at spreading bacteria, and all the way to, stuff like is pizza made and eaten in Italy better for your health than pizza that's made and eaten in a different country? So they're all kind of neat. And then we move on to the significance statement, which is a written justification of why a study is important. So what you want to do is outline your methodology here and give reasons as to how your findings will benefit society in some way. So you go back to one of those things as far as filling in the gaps of knowledge, contributing to a social inequity, or something like that. So how the findings can and will be useful is your justification. And that concludes our short presentation on research significance.